You done up lining up next to us.
Alright, listen.
You know what, you guys?
Listen.
Okay, what?
Like everything they do at this house, you can't trust everything at Grandma's house.
Okay.
Okay, then what?
Then you're not listening to me.
Then you're not listening to me.
Race day. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We are at our local track, Thunder Valley Dragway. Tonight is what they call a street legal night, but also they are doing a heads up 8th mile index race. So they have two classes, a 650 and a 750. We run faster in 650s, but we turn the truck down and we're gonna try running 650s. So we got a test pass here in a couple minutes. We're gonna go up there for that test pass. Hopefully what we put in the tune-up is pretty close. You know, we can always put a little more in it, take a little out. So we're just gonna try going to the finals, winning the 650 race. You know, if we do, it'd be 2 Fridays in a row with a win. So that's what we're going for. And just out here putting laps on the truck, you know. We put the 8 wides back onto it with the Hoosier. We took the Mickeys off of it. The reasoning we did that is just, you know, we're not really needing the power, so we don't really need the tire. That's kind of our motto on that. But this Hoosier here, these are tires I had on the truck last season, but I only put 5 passes on them and I took them off. We put them back on because they only have 5 passes, and the other ones were worn out with 25, 30 passes on them. So yeah, hopefully the truck goes down. We got a lot of retard in the starting launch, so we'll figure it out. Hopefully we get some wins, and like I said, go to the finals and win this thing. Danny's right next to us, pitted to us, and he's got me 2 up on me, and I was telling him if we meet in the finals, I'm going to give it to him. So hopefully that's where we meet and we don't meet before then, but you know, anybody in that lane next to me is going to get an L tonight. So that's what we're doing. We're going to win, and because that's what we came to do.
Some gangsters.
Yeah. Oh, don't forget, MrEasyS10.com to go get your merch. Don't forget it. Like, comment, subscribe. We're going racing.
Let's go. All right.
Hey, it's an about them cap.
They called us up.
It's an about them cap over
It's
here.
in the rim.
You're a qualifier.
Thank you for saying something.
Okay.
Just couldn't get it in there. Couldn't fit it in that hole.
Nice.
I'm not used to that. Not my girl.
What was that at?
A little bit high. 550 and a half.
What's this one?
That was right
Oh,
on.
I didn't
Right on.
break it.
You ready for it? I'm not so nervous.
It has to be slow. But it's alright. Slow makes money.
Hopefully. Don't forget GoPro.
Yep. Alright. Well, you ready?
Yep.
Let's do the dang thing, bud.
We're going 640.
640s.
641.
641.
Then we'll leave the tune-up all day.
Yep. We'll chase him down. We'll get this W. Let's go win some money.
I wonder how many cars are left.
I don't know.
We're
a
gonna
good
need like
question.
50.
Yeah.
At least 30.
What was the buy-in, do you know?
$50.
50? Okay. That's not bad.
Well, and you only get, it's 80-20
Drop us off
split,
by the-
so
80-20 split.
for it to be worth it, you know, we'd want more than 20 cars.
Gotcha. It doesn't seem very packed tonight.
Reverse,
Oh.
please.
All right.
They have 650 and 750, don't they?
I think so, tonight, yeah. And then they got whatever street legals are.
Yeah, they got quite a few cars going up here right now.
Yeah, they do. Couple bikes, looks like. Ooh, look how clean that Evo is, dude.
641, baby. So got it.
We got that tune
It's
up
either
in
gonna
it.
go 641 or else we're gonna go fucking slow.
Yeah.
It's like a 641 or it's gonna be like a 680.
Yeah. Lord have mercy, let's go get this win.
Anywhere from 640 to 670. That's what.
You done fucked up lining up next to us.
All right, listen. All right, I'm gonna tell you the real story. The real story is I spent an hour earlier making two tunes, one 650 and one max effort, which is like a it should be like a 540-ish tune. As it turns out, I fucked up both those tunes. Neither one had the nitrous in it. So I had to make a tune for the last pass in the lanes, and it went nothing. So you guys have got this in the bag. The tune-up I had to put back in it is going to go at 630. So you might as well just tell him he's going to win.
Oh no. He botched his tune. So now we're gonna win.
I'll send you my tune if you want it.
I don't need that shit. I like the hook.
You want to go fast? Oh, okay.
All right, first round eliminations.
I'm gonna fuck Jared up.
He gonna see them taillights.
Fucking pretty car with these fucking clown shoes.
Hey,
Keep parking at the trailer.
I'm gonna show the people on the camera your
clown shoes.
yeah, look at that. Look at those things.
See, this is a show car quality paint job. This is a paint roller paint job.
AKA Jared's view. Right there.
Yeah, Jared, get used to those taillights. You want me to full shoot in your face?
I would love that, but I'm going to be ahead of you is the problem.
Oh, what?
I won't see it from ahead of you.
Oh man.
I picked the only duck I could. I waited till you guys rolled out of the pit. I waited. That's a strategy.
You don't want to know what we ran, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It won't matter, because I ran a 7.0 because I had the wrong tune in there. It literally, I let off the button and went nowhere.
Yeah, we have a pretty good tune-up. We have it dialed in pretty good for this. So,
well, I got about a 630 in it right now on good air, so it should be like a 640. And there's this pedal that's really long you can let off of. And then there's this other one you can hit that scramble. So I might just do circles around you guys.
see, I've been trying to convince Logan to do a scramble, but
He
he's
doesn't
just
have a scramble?
no. He's not about having another button on the steering wheel.
Cheerios too, huh?
Well, he's just, he doesn't want another button on the stereo on the steering wheel.
To hell with him.
I know.
First
That's what
of all,
I said.
this is random draw. So I don't know that I'm going to get him, but there was only one shot I had, and that's to be the last guy up here with him.
There you go.
There's a chance.
We'll
Hey,
see.
Michelle. Michelle, you're looking nice today.
That's gonna make you red light. Actually, I'll probably get a good reaction.
Well, hopefully we see you up there, buddy.
Instead of 0.4, I might have a 0.1.
Let's look at this Pro Mod in 650. Jeez. It's got the Schmeats, Mickey Thompsons. Lord have mercy. What the hell, dude?
Well, when your buddy next to you that you're racing against ain't fucking nowhere near you, got to lift. I also red leg.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You had like a 38 reaction to my 01 red. Shut the fuck up, look at your slip.
Hey, all that matters is I got that white piece of paper.
I looked around and I'm like, where's that turd at? Like, nowhere to be
I
seen.
didn't know it was you racing.
He was making a sandwich on the line.
Yeah, you had the
Dude,
sandwich.
Logan-
I was just trying to get through this process so I get out of the car.
Logan made breakfast, lunch,
Listen, I'm
and
gonna tell
dinner
ya.
before he left.
When I crested the hill today in the Dodge, it said 103 top of that hill. Fat guys are gonna die today. We don't need to be in the cars. Fuck's to be you, bud. Fat guys gonna die in that car.
Woo! Let's get her cooled down and ready for round two.
Whip it like a blade. We're on 650 something here.
650.
650 something.
Let's say 656.
656.
Yep, I like that too.
656.
656.
Needs to be on the 3 though.
Yeah.
That 656 don't mean shit with the .3. Fucking rabbit. I would say that. That makes it a 659.
He was
That
tired,
makes it a
alright?
690.
He was snoozing. He kind of needed a nap. All right, Logan. I'm gonna give you a pep talk to be on that tree,
Yeah,
but don't red light.
gonna have to figure something out.
So what happened last
2, 4, 6, 7 of us.
We raced scared.
Only in last.
many is there?
Hey,
13 divided by, or I guess.
Well, one got a bye, so there's 8 then. Who got the bye,
Who got the
Corey?
bye?
You fucking dog.
go figure.
I hate you.
Third call. 3, so next round there won't be a bye. 2. Yeah.
Yeah, next. This is the last bye of
there'll
the,
be
of
3.
the race.
There might be.
First call.
I don't know, I can't math right now.
750 index.
I can't
Call.
math.
All right.
750 index.
Well, we raced Jared.
4, right up behind.
We broke out, but
50 index
No
guy.
more buys after.
he red lit. So,
No more buys. First is worst.
yep. Do our thing. We'll be all right.
We're going 656.
Yeah, that's what we called it. We said that at the same time, 656. That's the magical number, dude.
I think it's going faster.
0.1 on the light.
0.01.
Yeah.
Get his ass, but don't ride the red light. See you up there, buddy. Oh shit, he's on fire. I saw that, dude. I ran, bro. Woo! Oh my god. God dang.
770 in the quarter.
Oh my god.
What?
He didn't lift.
What?
He's like, I'm running this bitch out.
back at home, and we didn't win. I ended up getting a guy that was really good at the tree and ran a 651. I ended up racing him second round, and I was sleeping at the tree. He got out on me. I ran him down, passed him, broke out. I ran a 6.4559, and he ran like a 6.5103 or something like that. So he was on his game. I was not on mine. So we got out second round in the 650 shootout. It is what it is. I mean, we'll try back next time. We kind of know what it takes now to run a 650, which is crazy because we kept turning it down, and still went too fast. We literally were commanding 7 pounds of boost off the leave and 7 pounds of boost down the track. That's all it took, and we were still running low 6.4s. So yeah, it is what it is. You live, learn, but we're got kind of a tune-up now. We kind of know what it's gonna take, and to run that 6.5. So future races that we do, we can sign up for those and have a potential on winning those. But after I got eliminated, the dew was starting to come out really, really bad. So we let the truck cool down for about 20 minutes. Both fans running on it. We re-iced it down, and I put a hot tune-up in it, which would have been probably my final pass on the tailgate class tune-up. Real similar to that one. And it went down the track on the 8 wides. So it was pretty cool. It definitely was on the tire the whole time. You know, you can kind of feel it spinning, but it's still moving. So yeah, it probably was on the limit of that tire for the power limit. And we didn't touch our PB, but also we had a lot of timing retard on the starting line. So that's probably where it went. It did a 143.60 foot. So yeah, it should have been like a low 132 if we had put the timing retard where we normally have it. But yeah, it is what it is. The truck drove into the trailer just fine. No issues. We changed the oil this week. Spark plugs are in a box right up there, right there. There's spark plugs for it. I had to order a brand new bump box button, trans brake button. When I was backing it out of the trailer after last weekend, I had no reverse, and with this transmission, there is no reverse. You have to use the trans brake to back up. And yeah, I wiggled some cables around and everything like that, and the trans brake started working again. So there's something in the wiring on that one that is right around my steering wheel that's bad. Stuart will get that fixed up with that new button. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got some passes. The truck ran flawlessly. Too good, I guess, when we're trying to run 650s and it's running 630s, 640s. So yeah, I don't know how much more power we got to take out of the thing. We could probably just take the boost tube off of it and just run 650s that way. So yeah, it is what it is. We'll learn. We'll come back. We'll come back stronger. We'll come back fighting. And yeah, until next time, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go to MrEazyS10.com. Go buy some merch. All that merch helps us do what we do. And yeah, you guys got to stay tuned because we got more videos coming out. We're going to 1320 second annual Hot Summer Nights, but it's the first one that is in a parking garage. So yeah, it's going to be a good turnout. I think there's going to be like 1,000 people plus there. I don't know how many cars, but it's sold out. So should be a good night. So you guys got to stay tuned for that video because that video will come next. And until next time, guys, peace.